Guys, today's video is one of the things that I love, and I love photography. I'm not a professional photographer. I just do photography for fun as a hobby, and this is my new lens that I got from Fujifilm. I purchased my lens with my own money in Mike's camera, and this is one of those lenses that I've been dreaming about, and it's such a good lens. So there is my unboxing for you. That was a true unboxing. I unboxed this when we were in Estes Park. So here she is in its all glory. I love this lens so much. It is more pancake than a pancake lens, if that makes sense. It is like a baby pancake, if that makes sense. But this is the new Fujifilm lens that I purchased. I purchased mine in Mike's camera with my own money, and I'll share you guys some clips and some bits of videos and photos that I took after this little review. And this is such a good lens. I also added the lens filter in here, if you can see, and this is a sweet prime. I've been trying to accumulate more prime lenses in my collection as a hobby, and I just love it. So there she goes, and like how tiny she is. And I hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys in my next unboxing. There's more tech stuff that I just recently purchased and added on my collection. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!